Oh, magkon na ako ah. Okay, good morning. My topic for this afternoon will be safety when we are using a sewing machine. Safety. Because on the sewing machine, the body is actually a metal thing, you know. And the power line of the sewing machine, this is 120 volts AC. So meaning to say the power needed by the motor that will rotate this sewing machine is actually 120 volts AC. This is a dangerous voltage. Since the power supply don't have any transformer, or sometimes if there is a what you call this problem with the connection of the live wire inside, so it might touch the metal thing, and it happens that you touch it while you are sewing, you feel a shock. So to avoid that one, we use an isolation transformer. Isolation transformer is actually a 1-to-1 ratio transformer, meaning the input of the transformer is 120 and the output is 120, but there is the primary side and there is the secondary side. So for us to be safe when using a sewing machine, we must have to plug in the plug of the sewing machine on the secondary of the isolation transformer. Okay? And the primary of the isolation transformer, this is the primary. It's a so-called, there's a ground thing. So if we plug in on the convenience outlet, okay, the sewing machine now is actually in between the utility line and the transformer. No, it is after the transformer. So meaning to say, utility line, it goes to the primary of the isolation transformer. The secondary of the isolation transformer is where we get our power to power up the sewing machine. So just in case there is a problem with the connection touching the metal thing, okay, you feel a shock without the isolation transformer. I think with the isolation transformer, you could still feel a shock, but you will not be shocked to the utility line. Not unlike if there is no isolation transformer and you get shocked by the current, okay, what you call this, the accidental current going to the body of the sewing machine, okay, you will feel the shock. I think the problem is that it will be more dangerous without the isolation transformer. So with the isolation transformer, maybe you feel a shock, but you just do like that. Okay? So to show that we could use an isolation transformer while using a sewing machine, we switch on. So as you can see it, the sewing machine is lighted now, and this sewing machine got actually a pedal button. So if we try to operate this sewing machine, okay, we push this power button, okay, and it will work, okay. That's it, right? That's it. So even though it is plugged in, we could actually touch the metal thing on the sewing machine and we don't feel any shock, okay, because there is an isolation transformer where we use it. The secondary of the transformer is where the sewing machine is plugged in, so you don't feel a shock, okay. You don't feel a shock. Okay, I will shut off. Okay, I will push again. You touch it, you don't feel any shock. So for what you call this, for sewing machines, I suggest that you will use an isolation transformer for the protection of the sewer. Okay, because if there is nothing, you could feel a shock. If the current is so much, you might get killed. Okay, but with the isolation transformer, I think we could minimize the current. So the main purpose of the isolation transformer is to separate you from the utility line Because if you are connected directly to the utility line, of course, if you get shocked, you will be shocked to the utility line without anyone guarding you. So our guardian over here is actually the isolation transformer. So you will not be shocked to the utility line because the power of the utility line is so much. If you got electrocuted, of course, it will burn you. Okay? That's it. Okay, I will push once more the power button if the showing us it, and I will show you that it will operate with this isolation transformer. See? Okay, no shock. Right? So we are ready to show any improvement in our clothing. Good afternoon from Los Angeles.